Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and today I'm going to do a quick follow-up on or update on my Vermihut vermicomposter, and this will be an update from the last video where I added the second tray. So I'm going to go ahead and check out the bedding to see if my worms did in fact decide to migrate up, and I'm going to go ahead and move the newspaper here where I had fed them, and we'll see if they decided to make an appearance. I'm going to go ahead and take this little scraper thingy and we'll see if they started coming up. Oh, here's a little guy right there. I don't know if you can see him, but he's right over there. So, oh yeah, there's a couple right there. There's that guy right there. He's lively. So that's a good sign that they actually are making their way up to the second tray here. Yep. There's another one here in the corner. And there's some more right there. Come on out, you guys. There you go. He's like, why you wake me up? Alright, let's see. Yeah. There they are. Yep, they definitely made their way. They're coming through. So I'm gonna go ahead and there he is. Yeah. Okay. So that's actually pretty good. So I'm gonna take this little apple core that I put here, I'm going to put it right in here, give that to him, and go ahead and bury it back up again, along with some food. I also end up picking up some watermelon. It was half of a watermelon, and I cut it up and I put it in the fridge. In the freezer rather, and to get it to break down a little bit quicker so that I can go ahead and give them a treat. What I'm picking out is the little pieces of credit card that I found from the last time. Alright, so today's Sunday, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some food on this other corner over here on the right side. And right now I have this inside the house because it's getting pretty hot in the garage. So it's in my kitchen and that way there. And I have my house set at 79 degrees AC. So that'll be optimum for them. So I'm going to go ahead and take some food that I have. I'm just going to go ahead and dump some right over here, and I'm going to spread it out a little bit. There we go. I'm not going to give them too much because the bedding that I made still has a bunch of food that I put in there. So this here is more like a treat. And this is that food that I made a while ago. And that just gives them something else to come up and work for. Entice them a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and spritz this just a little bit. I mean, the food has a little moisture, but I touched my bedding and it was just a tad dry. So I'm going to spritz the food just a little, and then I'm going to cover it with the newspaper like that, and then I'm going to spritz the newspaper also. And like I said, that'll help to keep the food moist. And it helps them also. There we go. Alright. Well, there you go, guys. Well, that was a success. I'm glad to see them that they're starting to make their way up. I'm going to give them, and it's only been 1 week, so I figure in about a few more weeks, the majority of them should be coming to the top, and I probably won't harvest until I got a second tray full. This is a 5-tray system, so I figure once I get 2, I can go ahead and start harvesting, because then it gets pretty heavy. These 2 right now, that I'm thinking it's probably the whole unit is weighing about close to 45, maybe 50 pounds. So there you go. Once again, thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and hit the little bell sign symbol for up and coming videos. Alright, thanks again. Have a great one. Bye.